right, it's time to render. So we're going to use QuickTime. We're going to use Adobe Stock HD with audio, Apple ProRes 422. I'll just click on this quick so you can see it. Let's cancel that, and let's see if I can change the location. Let's go to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to call this project number 1 logo. Okay, and we can select the preset. I'll just click on this little drop down so you can see it. We're going to do Adobe Stock HD with audio, Apple ProRes 422 HQ. So the thing about this preset specifically is it's a high resolution preset, okay? And if I go over here to Adobe Stock, you can see what it looks like. So it's Apple ProRes, and it's 1920 by 1080, the highest quality, uncompressed video. I use this for all of my courses now. What I do is I record it on QuickTime, like I'm doing right now, and then I bring it into Premiere Pro, I cut it up, and then I export it out to Media Encoder. And I use this Adobe Stock HD with audio, Apple ProRes 422 QuickTime format. Okay, and the quality is unbelievable. It's amazing how good the quality is. So I stand by this preset. It's literally what I use. Okay, so let's hit the play button here, which will start our cue. And it shouldn't take too long because this is a very short animation, which was really the intention of this, so that way we're not I don't have to commentate for 4 hours about the rendering. Okay, the video is already done. Beautiful. So that's how you render in Media Encoder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.